Racing just is started. We have the chosen one. Break quickly at the start. Moving up, Lisa's Magic. And on the outside comes Southern Burst. Daredevil in the middle. And on the outside comes Security Force. Physiotherapies. Precious comes next. Down on the inside now is Burning Glow. Pen Pen. Disara Pen Pilio comes next. Running by the rail comes Substantial. Boogie Wonderland. Then followed over by 4A. And this one is Lovely Pearl. While Isaiah Dragon is the early trailer as they swing down the back. We have Lisa's Magic by about 3 lengths, and in second comes Security Force. 5 lengths further back in third comes Daredevil. Alongside comes entry number 8, and this one is Southern Burst. The chosen one is running by the rail. Burning Glow moving up on the outside now is Physio. Therapies, Fresh Show comes next. Boogie, Wonderland, Pen Pen, Disara Pen, then followed by Substantial, Pilio, Isaiah Dragon, while Lovely Pearl is still racing in 14th. And Diana when entering the home stretch. We have Lisa's Magic is still in control by about 2 lengths. Moving up on the outside, Security Force with about 100 meters of the race. We have Lisa's Magic, Security Force on the outside. Lisa's Magic, Security Force giving the battle burst of energy on the outside, moves up, and finally Security Force. Lisa's Magic, then comes Physiotherapies, the chosen one, Precious.